Hi guys. Yep. And the thing I did today, and now like this, we're gonna learn today. And for today, we're gonna do the card tutorial, which I posted in my last video. I get the schedule for you guys, just what I'll do in the weekend, and then I may make some changes to the schedule if you maybe skip the videos. I'll maybe get some schedule changes because I found some card games that was fun for you guys to watch and to do it on your own. So yeah, that's not talking. Let's begin. Here, so we're gonna have your first, second, middle, ring, and pinky finger, like so. Slowly go drop some cards down, like so. Drop some cards like down. The first stages are like the first stages of your thing. You have like these cards, these chunk of cards, this big chunk of cards is going down, and then I practice every day for 2 weeks, and I can do this. It's not the best, but I'm improving the practice every day. It's about 3 weeks now, 3 weeks in, and yeah, because our school ends this week. Oh yeah, anyway, I'm a freshman in high school actually, and then our school ends this week, Friday, so I can do more videos ever, and then yeah, that's the tutorial, just like that. It's just a matter of practice that you guys have possible that, like that. Just a matter of practice. I practice a lot on this hard one. The hard ones I just go through. So the next game you need 2 decks. I'll explain it maybe next week, or I'll do a schedule change maybe. So again. So you need these 2 decks. Why you need 2 decks? Because we have a card questing game version 2. I'll do a video for that. Maybe next week or this week I'll change the schedule. So we're gonna have 1 card right here. And we're gonna have 5. You're gonna guess the card with 5 cards. So why you do but can you only do 1 deck? No, because if like the card is the 2 of clubs, there's no 2 of clubs in this deck, you're not even get it right anyhow. So we're gonna have 2 decks of cards. If you have 1 type of card, just buy one and watch the video later. And yeah, let's begin. So we're gonna have the person pick 1 card, just pick 1 card like so. Then do a 2 card, hide it from the card, and we're going to see what card is it in. So maybe the card is 9. Maybe the card is the Jack. Maybe the card is the 8 of clubs. Maybe the card is these 2 cards. And then you flip right here. The card is. Sorry about that. The 8 of clubs here. For the 8 of clubs, you're gonna have 2 ways. You're gonna see that first. Let's see if that's 8 of clubs. Or see right here if that's 8 of clubs. I'll prefer anything else. I'll just see the deck first. Maybe mainly. Let me check the deck. 8 of clubs. Let's check. I think I put it in the deck. I think I put it in guessing deck. Oh. Yep, I got it. The 8 of clubs is in this deck. Ready, 3, 2, 1. First card, the 9 of clubs. Second card, the Jack of diamonds. Third card, the 8 of clubs. This is like a 1.8% chance and lower to get this right. These 2 cards. So I'll try it on our own. Let's try it on your own here. So right here, this card, if you have a deck Just if you have a deck of cards, just guess 4 cards. I'll reveal the answer later. I'm gonna guess 4 cards also. And then I'll wait about some time to get you ready. And then 5 cards. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, time's up. The card is the 8 of spades. Let's see what's in my deck. It has 8 of spades. And yes, it has 8 of spades right here. So yeah, that's the game. And then I'll see you guys. Peace. Remember to do this practice motion very fast. Don't do it very fast, do it slowly at first. I do it really at first. But this is and then Wednesday tomorrow, Wednesday, which the video will come out Thursday. This video will come out Wednesday. Which tomorrow if you're watching Wednesday, it's Wednesday because I posted because today's video is Tuesday for USA. Yeah, and then for other countries maybe Wednesday or Monday or something like that. I think there's no Monday in this country right now. No, there's no May 18, 2020 right now. It's just May 19th, May 20th. It's just USA. So for Taiwan, you have to see it May 14th at 2 p.m. I think so. Let me check. No, the May. Wait. Thursday at 2 p.m. I mean Thursday at 2 p.m. And yeah, and then Wednesday I'm gonna teach you this. I'm gonna teach you this. It's a pretty cool trick. And then wait for me. Yeah, check my TikToks and then I need to follow this game. Let's show my more recent video right here. It says imagine verify accounts comment on the post. This one's pretty fun. Yeah, and then this is my YouTube. Once again, I have 232 followers, 545 likes, and then and then for sure, I think you're there. The throwing card be here, and then Sunday I'll have throwing card tutorial for you guys, and I'll see you guys. And remember, this is the longest video yet. Yeah, let's do 10 minutes. Let's do another video. TikTok and check. That's 19.4K one. It's a bit crazy, but yeah, that thing that got me 19.4K views. On my recent video on YouTube, I said 19.1K views, 19.4K views. Now I just stopped viewing because it's slowing down. And then check out the TikToks. Follow me. I'm again Kevin Magician. Once again, I'm Kevin the Magician. And I'll post like Go check my YouTube. It's mention everything here, and subscribe. Remember, 600 followers on TikTok, 200 subscribers on YouTube, and let's get famous. Peace. Let's get famous, Peace.